Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I make this sauce that you can use for your roasted fish, roasted plantain, which is bole. You can as well use it on your fried potato and fried plantain. So guys, here is the same oil that I used to fry my fish and the same pot I use and fry my fish, and this is just nut cube and a little bit of salt. I have enough nut cube, so I'm just using a little bit of salt. And here is my onions. You can use the red onions if you have. I'm using the white onions, and I add a little bit of curry inside the oil because we want the oil to be as well sweet. So this is combination of pepper, onions blend together, and a little bit of garlic and ginger. As you can see, the tomatoes I add inside, I remove the seed and the inside because we don't want the sauce to be watery at all. So this is it, and I keep stirring and stirring to let it dry a bit before we take it down, and our sauce is ready. When you ring my Valentine, sunny day, you make my dream come true. 행복한 너 그리고 나 우릴 비추고 With you by my side, 멈춘 시간 속 서로가 마주하는 이곳 I can see you through a little far away. So melt your heart. 조금 서툴지만 이해해줄래. 동화 속에서만 보던 Just like shining star. 서로 바라보는 이곳 I'll be always by your side. Sunny day, you make my dream come true. 행복한 너 그리고 나 우릴 비추고 With you by my side.